Why does my RC controller lose signal or range? Have you ever been out with your remote control toy only to find it suddenly loses connection? It can be frustrating, but understanding why this happens can help you enjoy your hobby more. Let's break down some common reasons for signal loss and how to fix them. First, interference is a big player in this game. Most remote control systems use the 2.4 GHz frequency band. This band is crowded with signals from Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices, and even microwave ovens. When these signals overlap, they can disrupt your controller's transmission. If you are near other remote control vehicles, their signals can also interfere. Next, consider the range of your remote control system. Every system has a maximum distance it can operate effectively. If you push your toy beyond this range, the signal will weaken and eventually cut out. Obstacles like trees, hills, and buildings can block signals, so always try to keep your toy within sight and in open areas. Battery power is another key factor. If the batteries in your controller are low, the signal strength decreases. Similarly, if the battery in your remote control toy is weak, it may not receive signals properly. Always check that both batteries are fully charged before heading out. Hardware issues can also lead to signal loss. If the antenna on your remote control toy is damaged or not positioned correctly, it can weaken the signal. Make sure the antenna is not pinched or wrapped around other wires. Also, check for loose or corroded connections between the electronic speed controller and the receiver. These can interrupt the flow of power and signal. The orientation of antennas matters too. For flying toys like drones, ensure the antennas on your controller are facing the right way. If there are obstacles between the controller and the toy, it can lead to signal degradation. Lastly, firmware or hardware faults in your controller or receiver can cause unexpected signal drops. Keeping your firmware updated is essential. If you continue to experience signal loss after checking all these factors, it might be time to inspect or replace your controller or receiver. To minimize signal loss, avoid operating near strong radio interference. Keep your toy within the recommended range and maintain a clear line of sight. Always ensure both your controller and toy batteries are in good condition. Regularly inspect antennas and wiring for any damage. Position antennas correctly and avoid flying behind large obstacles. Lastly, keep your firmware updated and replace any faulty hardware as needed. By understanding these factors, you can enjoy your remote control toys without the frustration of signal interruptions.